Hi, and welcome to the Opal and Mommy Baking Show. Say, I'm Opal.
Hello.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy! And today, we have a special guest with us. This is Violet. Say hi, Violet.
Hi.
Welcome to the show. Today we're going to make a flourless chocolate cake. And we're going to make it quick, because it's almost bedtime. We've already preheated the oven. So far, we have poured the chocolate chips into this big old bowl. And now we're going to add the butter, and we're going to stick it in the microwave for a minute.
Bubbles.
And then we're going to start
Bubbles.
mixing
Bubbles.
it.
Bubbles. Bubbles.
Sure. Yeah,
Bubbles.
there are bubbles.
Bubbles.
So Opal has figured out what bubbles she was talking about. It was the pan I had sprayed the nonstick in, and she's calling them greasy bubbles. And Mommy said she couldn't touch them because they're greasy bubbles. Right? The butter is starting to melt, but the chocolate chips are not yet. What flavor is that? What flavor sucker do you have? Say, it's bubblegum flavor. Yeah. Alright, Opal. Next, you're going to pour the sugar in, okay? I'm trusting you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I see that you see the sugar. Uh-huh. Do you want to pour it in? You want help or no? Okay. I shouldn't have doubted you. Very good job. And next, we're going to put these in. What are these? What is that?
Egg.
Can Mommy help? This one's hard. Alright.
Yellow egg. Yellow egg.
Yellow egg. Are you going to stir? Stir.
Yellow egg.
She's a professional. It's whatever. She's stirring.
Yellow egg.
So if I try to help Opal, let's see what happens. Okay. Alright, we just poured in the cocoa, and it's hard to get cocoa to mix in well. So I will show you how the professional does it, in case you're wondering. First you put your sucker stick next to it, because you need both hands, you know. Wow, Opal. I almost can't even tell we just put it in there. Oh. This is ready for the oven. Good job, Opal. I don't think we need any more sugar. Okay.